Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our decided session of differential calculus, today we shall interact on the topic tangent and normal. Please note, our topic of discussion is what? Our topic of discussion is tangent and normal. Our topic of discussion is tangent and normal. So, in my previous class, you recall, kindly you recall that I told you that if there is a function y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Please note, you have to find slope of a tangent for the curve y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 at the point x is equal to 2. So I hope that it is in your mind that what you have to do here. You have to find differentiation of this function here firstly. Then after differentiation, you will be find here dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of x with respect to x is equal to 1 and differentiation of 1 is equal to 0. So this is dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1. If you put x is equal to 2 here, then you find dy by dx is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. 2 into 2 plus 1 means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is the, I hope you are recalling, this is the slope, this is the gradient, this is the tangent of this curve y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Now today we are going to find, please note, this is the theory, find the equation of a tangent for the curve y is equal to fx at the point x1 y1. So for this, just you recall, in your two-dimensional coordinate geometry and in the chapter straight line, there was a result, there was a theorem, and that was narrating that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is what? This is the equation of a straight line whose slope is known, slope is m, and this is passing through x1, y1. So if you put m is equal to dy by dx, then what you will finding? You will be finding y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Then this is what? This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of a tangent you are drawing to the curve y is equal to fx. And next theory is what? Please note down. Find the equation of a normal at the point x1, y1 for the curve y is equal to fx. For this, you have to write the same, but you know that the slope of the tangent and normal are mutually perpendicular to each other. You know that tangent and normals are perpendicular to each other. So if this is dy by dx is the slope of a tangent, then what will be the slope of the normal? This will be the same as y minus y1 is equal to minus of 1 upon dy by dx is equal to x minus x1. Because you know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 in the case of perpendicularity of two lines. So m1 is what? It is the minus 1 upon m2. So if slope of tangent is dy by dx, then slope of normal will be minus 1 upon dy by dx. And this equation will be what? This will be the equation of normal. Now I am sharing here a worksheet, printed worksheet, that is a set of numericals, and you can see here, find the standard form of the equation of normal to the graph this at the point this. Find the standard form of the equation of normal. A standard form of the equation of the normal is what? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx is equal to x minus x1. So for this we have to find what? You have to find dy by dx of this. Dy by dx of this. Then after putting the value at x is equal to this, you can find slope of this normal. And putting x is equal to this, you can find value of y. In this way, you will have x1, y1, and then by putting the result, you can find the answer. These are the some numericals you should try to do. And I say you that this session has been powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any doubt, feel free to write your comment in the comment box, and I promise that I will resolve your query if you are putting in the comment box. Thank you for listening me. This is the task for you, and you should try to do. The answer sheet is also given here. Yeah, with some basic solutions. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Thanks.